Hello students, I'm the OG Guru Dr. Puneet Bhojani here. With lots of messages and phone calls and WhatsApp messages from the students that sir, what exactly should we do in this 3 weeks which is remaining for the upcoming June FMG examination. So I'm going to tell you the detailed revision, what should be the revision, what should be the strategy, what you will do so that you can score 150 plus in the upcoming FMG examination. Stay right till the very end. Feel free to get in touch with me on phone and WhatsApp on this number also. Happy to announce OBG Score Booster. Last time also I had conducted the session and lots of questions came from this. This is a live class where we are going to dedicate 3 turns. One session will be all the important IBQs, PYQs, which are extremely important images I'm going to teach you, including virgin MCQs. One will be dedicated to clinical cases in obstetrics and gynecology, and one session will be all the expected MCQs. And just 299 rupees. 6 hours you give to OBGY and your score in OBGY will definitely jump up and you can easily get 8 to 10 marks extra. 8 to 10 marks extra is the difference between score of 145 and 152 and 140 and 150. And as you know, OBGY is a single most important subject. 30 to 35 MCQs come every year. So download the OG Guru app and enroll. We are going to start from 11th of June. 3 days, live classes, only 2 hours each. Throughout the day, study other subjects and then come just 2 hours live where we'll be covering all these topics. Okay. Now, point number 1, absolutely please stop panicking. It is natural. Students are panicking. It is natural. कैसा डर लग रहा है, tension आ रहा है. Yes, we are humans. We are not supercomputers, robots. It is natural that you are going to feel that sir, I'm forgetting things. कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है. ये बहुत natural है. 3 weeks focused revision will give you the confidence which you require. So don't waste any time. Just keep on studying. Don't lose hope and focus. That's a very important point. Please understand this. You don't need to know everything. In OBGY, in your FMG examination, 150 marks is 300 marks. So whether you get 151 or 170 or 180, it really does not matter. So just understand this. I'm not telling that you target only 150. Yes, you should target 180, 200, but you need not know everything. Even the topper or the ranker, even for NEET PG, does not know everything. So smartly आपको सोचना है, क्या करना है, क्या छोड़ सकते हैं, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली, बहुत लोगों को पास्ट ट्रॉमा होता है. Last time, previous attempt, many students are stuck up at 140, 145, 147, even 149 score, and that is haunting them. So please usko bhul jaiye, forget your past scores, whatever it is. This time you will cross 150. रोज अपने आप को ये बोलना है, this time I will cross 150. Is it clear to all of you? Now, what is the other important point? Is it too late right now? No. Please understand this. You can still get a major boost in your score with this 3 weeks. But time is of utmost importance. बिल्कुल time waste नहीं करना है. Yes, you will take 6 to 7 hours of rest. You will take good 6 to 7 hours of rest and another 3 hours. Another 3 hours is for time pass, your daily activities and thoda sa meditation, yoga, relaxation. This 3 hours is enough. 7 and 3, 10. So at least you get another 14 hours. So kuch nahi to 12 to 14 hours of study is absolutely required. There's no other option. So please put in as much as effort as you can. इसमें मैं आपको रात भर जागने को नहीं कह रहा हूं. I've given you 7 hours of rest. 2 hours for your daily activity, खाना पीना, still 1 hour बचेगा. उसमें आपको meditation, relaxation, walking, थोड़ा सा physical and mental exercise you should do. Remaining 12 to 14 hours is absolutely study time. Okay. You can still get a major jump, and as I said, 12 to 14 hours for the next 3 weeks can really boost up your score and help you change the score from 130 to 160. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Now, what are you going to focus on? All the PYQs. You will focus on PYQs, and PYQs not only of FMGE, which is understood, the mistake which many students are making. NEET PG PYQs are compulsory. It's a concept based exam. जितना strong आपका concept है उतना आपका score बढ़ने वाला है. And today FMG exam is as difficult or as tough or sometimes even tougher questions than NEET PG are also asked to you. And frequently repeated. Your shortcut notes and your repeated topics, previous year topics, because topics 100% repeat होता है. गायनेक के लिए एक पूरा लिस्ट है मेरे ऐप में, वो आप देख सकते हो. And बाकी का PYQs and frequently repeated topics, and most importantly, whatever is your weak concepts. I'll come to this in some time, but weak concepts को strong बनाना पड़ेगा. It's a conceptual exam. Only those students, #crystal clear concept, जो हमारा मंत्र है, Hashtag crystal clear concepts. Only those students who have crystal clear concepts will clear the exam. वन लाइनर का जमाना गया है. वन लाइनर बहुत कम आ रहे हैं, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चंस कम आ रहे हैं, बट दे आर गोइंग टू टेस्ट योर नॉलेज इन IBQs, clinical case scenarios. All these are extremely important. Now, should I focus on my strong subjects or weak subject? एक सिंपल बात है कि everything depends on the weightage. Okay, so whether your subject is coming in high weightage or low weightage, ये important है. Everything depends on the MCQ weightage. I'm sure you know which are the big 4 subjects, the core 6 subjects कौन से important है. So do not waste too much time on your subjects which are strong but have got less weightage. Like example, you might be very strong in your derma, psychiatry, orthopedic, उसको अभी नहीं करना है. Even छोटे मार्क्स वाले आते हैं like forensic medicine, ENT, which have got less weightage, 5-6 MCQs. Do not waste time. Okay, so which are the most important? The big 4 subjects: medicine, surgery, PSM, OBGY. As you know, PSM 20-25 MCQ, surgery 25 to 30, medicine 30 MCQs, OBGY 30 to 35. तो यहीं पे आपका पूरा गेम है. ये 120 मार्क्स इधर ही है. एंड द कोर 6 सब्जेक्ट्स विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो अगर इसमें से इफ यू आर वीक इन एनी ऑफ द बिलो सब्जेक्ट्स, ये 10 सब्जेक्ट्स, तो उसको आप पहले टैकल करोगे. पैथो अगेन 20-25 MCQs, 20, माइक्रो 20, फार्मैक 15-20, एनाट फिजियो बायोकेमिस्ट्री 15-15-15, 45 MCQ. सो फिनिश देम फर्स्ट. सो एक वेटेज होता है जिस बेस्ड ऑन द लास्ट 10 years आपको पता है विच क्वेश्चंस हाउ मच पर टॉपिक पर सब्जेक्ट कौन से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो जो हाई वेटेज है उसको आपको रिवाइज करना है. एंड अगर आपका कोई टॉपिक वीक है और वो इसमें से है तो इनको पहले आपको फिनिश करना है. ओके, विच आर द सब्जेक्ट्स यू कैन सेफली स्किप? सर यू कैन इजीली स्किप डर्मा, साइकाट्री, ऑर्थोपेडिक, एनेस्थीसिया. टाइम अगर और लेस है तो फोरेंसिक मेडिसिन, पीडियाट्रिक्स, ये भी आप स्किप कर सकते हैं. कभी कभी रेडियो, बट ये 4 तो आप अभी इजीली स्किप कर दो. टाइम नहीं है, नहीं मिलेगा तो चलेगा. फोरेंसिक मेडिसिन लेस क्वेश्चन आता है तो ये 4 से 6 सब्जेक्ट्स आप उड़ा दीजिए. बाकी के 12 सब्जेक्ट्स पे आप फोकस करोगे. इज दिस अंडरस्टूड? ना हाउ मेनी डेज पर सब्जेक्ट फॉर रिविजन? दिस इज आवर्स वाइज एलोकेशन. तो जैसे मैंने बोला है कि 12 to 14 आवर्स डेली, मतलब रफली आप 13 आवर्स डेली पढ़ते हो. तो मेडिसिन 30 आवर्स, सर्जरी 30 आवर्स, मतलब रफली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इज लाइक 2 days, 2.5 days. ओके, बिकॉज 2 days 12 to 24, सो 2.5 days हो गया. 2.5 days हो गया, इसको अराउंड 1.5 days हो गए बराबर, बिकॉज ऐसे 13-14 hours इन अ डे, दूसरा 6, so this is around 1.5 hours. Okay, now OBGY के लिए I'll give you the mantra and those 6 hours का कोर्स जो हम लाइव अटेंड करने वाले हो, प्लीज अटेंड करना, आपका स्कोर ट्रेमेंडसली बूस्ट अप हो जाएगा. So PSM, OBGY, these are the big 4. Pharmac, Patho, Micro, again we can give almost around 1.5 days time. And your anat, physio, biochemistry को एक पूरा दिन, one day, 1 से थोड़ा ज्यादा we can give. And ophthalmology and ENT are these are very easy and scoring subjects. ये चारों सब्जेक्ट को आप 2 to 3 days दे सकते हो. They are really scoring. रेडियो, ENT, forensic and your ophthalmology. So ये बहुत important है. Okay, so do not miss out on this. As I said, these are for the numbers. Okay, ये roughly hours है and इसमें आप क्या करने वाले हैं? 250 hours का टाइम है. So this is the 250 hours, only MCQs, notes, as I said, and PYQs, IBQs, and important topics, and most frequently as previous year topics आप करोगे. MCQ based revision. Now, how many MCQs? Now, please understand this, what you will do. In the exam also, you get 1 minute. So, you are going to solve 60 MCQs per hour. Okay, first, directly question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. What are going right? Very good. Make a list of right and wrong. अभी जो wrong है, वो wrong का आपको detailed explanation is compulsory. No point only solving MCQs. You need to read explanation. This is compulsory. So what I would suggest is that if you are studying 13 to 14 hours per day, 13 to 14 hours, एक rough figure लो 12-13. So first 8 hours, okay, first 8 to 9 hours. समझ में आ रहा है? 8 6 40, मतलब 500 MCQs in a day you can solve. 500 MCQs. ओके 500 MCQs पर डे आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. इज इट क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट 8 to 9 hours you would be dedicating only in solving MCQs and remaining explanation के लिए please give another 3 to 4 hours. Is this understood to all of you? 8 and 4 पकड़ा, 12 तो भी ओके. 12 hours अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो तो 8 घंटा आप आपका MCQ सॉल्व करिए, 4 घंटा लेकिन जो भी वीक टॉपिक्स है, explanation is very important. Please do not forget reading the explanatory answers also. So you can easily target to solve 8,000 to 9,000 MCQs in the next 3 weeks and see how much your score is going to get boosted up. Do not panic. अगर एक दिन टारगेट नहीं मैच हुआ, आज थोड़े 500 के बजाय 400 हो गए, 350 MCQs, that's okay. Next day you can cover up, you can recover on the next day. Okay. Probably you should be giving 2 grand tests. अभी 3 weeks है, 2 maximum 3, बहुत ज्यादा grand test मत दो. Even I would say 2 grand test is absolutely fine. But and grand test you give the actual exam time, like part 1 9 to 11:30, 2 to 4 जो actual pattern होता है उसमें आप grand test दीजिए. And very very important is the analysis of the grand test. So you can give a grand test immediately now, so that आपको पता चलेगा एक 10 दिन के बाद. Now what is this ARC analysis? ARC का मतलब है attention failure. Attention failure मतलब के A stands for attention. Okay, sir, I knew the MCQ, but I made a silly mistake because I did not read the question correctly. Attention, you did not read. It was all except what is not tha, so you did not read. So indirectly, okay, you are sad, but feel happy ke chalo, at least this question I knew, it is not a big deal. But in the exam, you have to focus on this by reading the question again and again and don't make mistakes. So ये आपके attention failure होते हैं. Attention failure है, which we call it as silly mistakes. Silly mistakes मतलब you did not read the question correctly. All except था, ये नहीं था वगैरह. R is the recall failure. कि सर टॉपिक पढ़ा है लेकिन याद नहीं आ रहा है, क्या करना है? तुरंत एक नोटबुक बना लो. Keep on making a notebook of your mistakes and that will become your book of success. ठोको ताली. So all your mistakes which you do in the grand test and MCQs, keep on writing. Recall मतलब sir I have read the topic, I'm not able to remember. Make a note of it. Keep on revising again and again. And the most dangerous mistakes, my dear student, are the concepts. C. So A is attention failure, R is recall failure, C is concept, which is the most dangerous. इसका क्या करना है? इसको कंपलसरी टैकल करना है. कॉन्सेप्ट ही आपको नहीं आता है, क्या करेंगे? गो बैक, read that topic in detail, see that video in detail. There is no other option, there is no shortcut over here. So ये concept को you need to tackle first your weak concepts, then only your score in GT and the actual will improve. So attention failure, tension मत लो. Recall failure आपको याद आएगा, आपको पढ़ाई कर फिर से रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन concept failure are the most dangerous if you are making. अगर आपका concept weak रहने वाला है तो वो concept जिंदगी आपके एग्जाम तक weak रहेगा तो ये नहीं चलेगा. You need to make that concept strong. It's very very important. Now, how to avoid silly mistakes even when your grand test and now also when in your actual exam. Read the question without. Question आता है और ये तो tough question है, easy question है. No. Read the question without trying to judge if it is easy or difficult. First, before you start or before you mark, 1 or 2 seconds, calm yourself before you lock the answer. तो लॉक करने से पहले 1-2 सेकंड काम थोड़ा हो जाओ एंड देन बटन दबाना, देन यू प्रेस इट. एंड प्लीज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, इन द एग्जाम पर्पसफुली 3-4 क्वेश्चंस बैक टू बैक ऐसे आ सकते हैं विच वुड बी वेरी टफ. So over here, don't panic. Panic sets in. नहीं आ रहा है. Don't worry. Starting के अगर ball tough है, you know when the ball is new swinging, you have to leave alone थोड़ा सा. So stay calm even if you're not able to answer 3-4 MCQs in a row. Okay, this is very important. Obviously, बाद में थोड़े easy questions भी आएंगे and you can cover up the difficult question. You mark something, you can always come back for review to that. But पहले mark कर लो. There's no negative marking, so you have to attempt all 300. So don't leave any question. But if questions 3-4 क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं आ रहे हैं, डोंट पैनिक, बाद में इंप्रूव होगा. सो एज आई सेड, 3 चीज याद रखना है. डू नॉट जज द क्वेश्चन इमीडिएटली कि ये टफ क्वेश्चन है, ये सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. 1 or 2 seconds, just calm before locking in the answer and stay calm even if you're not able to answer 3-4 questions continuously in a row. Purposefully ऐसा कभी कभी वो लोग करेंगे. Now, what is the important another mantra? You need to cover your NEET PG PYQs of at least last 5 to 7 years, if not at least past year, along with your FMG PYQs. New pattern MCQs आने वाले हैं. What is the new pattern MCQ? Match the column. multiple correct choices. Okay, you'll be given 3-4 options and it could be multiple correct and arrange in sequence. So इसके ऊपर मैंने एक मेरा YouTube पे OBGY का भी वीडियो है, you can go and check that. All teachers are teaching you like that. Match the column types, arrange in sequence, multiple correct options. These are new patterns questions, few will be coming, and you need to focus on the clinical and IBQs. And as I said before, concepts, पूरा game concepts का है. Only if your concepts are strong, you can crack the exam. So focus on lots of MCQs, लॉट्स ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक्स एंड मिस्टेक को एनालिसिस करना है. मिस्टेक से ही आपका सक्सेस होता है. ऑल मिस्टेक्स आर स्टेपिंग स्टोन सक्सेस. योर बुक ऑफ मिस्टेक्स इज गोइंग टू बिकम योर सक्सेस स्टोरी. एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट, लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल कंप्लीटली इंटीग्रेटेड कलर्ड नोट्स. एवरी स्टूडेंट हैज टोल्ड मी कि सर वंस आई हैव सीन योर वीडियोज within 2 hours we can revise the entire notes. एक notes read along video है where हमने पूरा notes students के साथ 2 घंटे में पढ़ा है. I have got students who have not done well in the first session. They read my notes. मुझे messages हैं कि sir in the break time we read your notes and we went inside and we could crack so many exams and so many MCQs. And this is your best chance. OBG score booster. The bookings are on. I am coming live for the last time before the exams. Recently the live session. This is OBG score booster starting from 11th of June. 3 days, just 6 hours, 299 rupees. That's it. 299 rupees will be the game changer for you. This 6 hours mein your score in OBGY is tremendously going to boost up. If with your current knowledge you are getting 10, 11, 12 MCQs correct in OBGY, after this 6 hours, mera guarantee hai the score in OBGY is going to boost up to 23, 24, 25. 10 marks more you can easily get. Difference between 140 and 150. So many students last time 145 पे अटक गए थे. Then they take this and they jump and cross it. So download the OG Guru app. 3 sessions I am going to take 6 hours. That's it. 3 sessions हम लेंगे. एक में सारे important IBQs, all the clinical MCQs of OBGY, of OBS and Gynae I will be covering, and the expected MCQs also. So 3 sessions, total 6 hours time, and just 299 rupees. Download the OG Guru app and enroll now itself, and I will see you live on 11th of June. 11, 12, 13, 11th of June we are going to start the session, and well in time, 2 weeks before your exam it will also get over. Of course, all recordings will be available. The recordings will be available till the June exam. So in case if you miss the live class, don't worry, and baad mein bhi you can see the recordings. So recordings will be available till the June exam. But try to attend 3 live sessions are there and you will do it. And look at this, my dear students, sir, all this you can read it for yourself. Sir, every question directly taught the way how you had come. Thank you, sir. OBGY best because of you. Among all 19 subjects, I can guarantee you cleared in first attempt. Okay, I couldn't have passed the exam without your guidance and lectures. Second half, each and every question came from your notes. So please understand this, students. Same thing will happen with you. Then you will walk out the FMG exam. You will message me that, sir, among all 19 subjects, my best performance is in OBGY. फिर से मेरा गोल एक, FMGE, faith. Please have absolute faith in your abilities, in your God. Motivation. We are there. एक ही way to motivate. Do you want to clear FMG? Yes. So abhi motivate. You are motivated now. Do not waste time in motivation. Guts. Please put in lot of efforts. Please put in lot of effort. Absolute time management. Concept पे focus करना है. फिर से मेरा goal एक, FMGE. It's not yet over. Even if right now you are hovering around 120, 130, you can cross that barrier and reach 160, 170 with ease. I'm always available on phone and WhatsApp on this number for any guidance you require. बिल्कुल time waste नहीं करना है. 5 to 7 years के PYQs and weak concepts को strong बनाना है. You will clear the 150 mark barrier. And do not forget to share this video with all your friends and colleagues. Follow us on Insta. We are regularly putting lots of interesting content. YouTube पे please subscribe. Hype this video, share this video with all your friends. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also this PDF will be available on the Telegram. So जितने हमने आज दिए हैं उसको आप accordingly divide करना. 250 hours का 7 to 8 hours MCQ, 1 minute में एक MCQ solve करना है. Explanatory answers please नहीं भूलना है. So bye bye, best of luck. Thank you very much, and I'll see you live on 11th of June in the OBG booster, score booster, and your score in OBGY will become the best is my guarantee. Best of luck.